Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Resin Me Up. So I have an announcement to make. So tomorrow at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, I will be having my Amazon Let's Resin Live. So everyone needs to come on out and help support that. There will be some gifts given away. I think 6, not exactly sure. But I'll know more tomorrow. And then we're going to be also introducing some new molds from Let's Resin, and we're going to be making a couple projects. So y'all need to come on out and see what kind of fun we're going to have. This is my very first Amazon Live with Let's Resin. So I just want to invite y'all to come on out and see what it's all about. So I'll be happy to see everyone there, and we'll make some fun molds and see what this Amazon Live is all about. All right. Well, don't miss it. It's 5 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, and in the description box of this video, I will be putting the link for that video. So you'll need to click on that link to get to that Amazon Live. Okay, so can't wait to see y'all there. All right, y'all. Have a great evening. Bye.